Oh man, let me tell you what guys, it feels so freaking good to be making a video again. Last time I was on this, well no, I wasn't recording, but the last time I was about to record a video, I crashed the R7 and broke my collarbone, so not good times. That day was not a good day, I'll tell you that, but man, I am so stoked to be back. I'm actually recording this prior to the comeback video. I got a freaking, by the time you won't see this, the comeback video will be out. Tell me, was that not freaking sick? Like, I had so much fun recording that. I had so much fun editing it, and it was just, it was a fantastic time. But God, it just feels so good to be back out here. We're on a brand new R7, as you guys probably seen. The other R7's rod went knocking on heaven's door. Couldn't ride the bike anymore, unfortunately, after that. But we just went and bought a brand new R7, and I mean, it was a crazy decision. We sold the car just to get this thing, but I'm telling you what, man, best decision I've ever made. And I just want to make content for you guys. We're gonna chase dreams. Now, I will admit, I still don't really like getting on the interstate, but we still get on it. And I'm gonna cut it off while we're up here, because all you're gonna hear is wind. All right, so we're out here. We met up with our peeps, and let me get closer so you can see what we got going on with us. We got a Grom and some kind of Harley. I don't remember what kind of Harley Jimmy rides. I've never actually like seen a Grom in person or like rode with a Grom, and honestly it's like the greatest thing ever. I want one even more now. It was so funny, him going in the full talk. You got, I didn't have the camera on yet, but him going in the full talk, trying to keep up with him. Oh, I love it. I need one. Apparently we're going to some cool like big private lot where they practice and do stunts and all that fun stuff, which, as you guys know, like, I've been kind of wanting to get into that more, so it'll be cool because now I'll know a spot, and when that other R7 gets fixed, it'll be the stunt bike. Oh, I gotta go through water. Ugh, that hurt. I hope this isn't the lot. I hope it's like a bigger lot. It's kind of cool looking. I'd like a big lot like Combo and all of them have. Lucky bastard. I don't know if this is it, but they keep circling around here, so I feel like this is it. This is not what I was expecting. Oh wait, they went back there. There might be something else. First time I've ever had a fucking Harley coming at me head on. That was pretty cool. Or wait, first time I've ever had a Harley coming at me head on with one wheel up in the air. That was pretty neat. I wish I had like crazy wheelie control like you see like a lot of people have. Look at a Grom, let's go. First time on a Grom, boys. Damn it. These things are so much harder to get up than what they look like. Like, Alec, you make this look so easy, bro. Dank, you make this look so easy, bro. I don't know if I'm messing up being in first gear or what. I mean, this isn't my Grom, so like I don't like want to send it to the moon, you know, and crash it and f it up, but I can't get it up. I need a Viagra. Let's get some speed on this, boys. Dude, this thing, it feels sketchy to go fast on this. Oh, this is a nice little lot back here. See if we can get a wheelie up back here. Damn it. We got old boy back here. Eat it up. Woo, we almost went down on that one. Yeah. Where it's such like a small frame and the wheelbase is so small on it. Now, I don't really know if this is what's actually causing it, but I feel like once I get it up in a wheelie, I lean like way over to the other side and almost go down with it. This dude's nuts. This video is definitely getting demonetized because of this right here. Look at how bad and dangerous this is. Criminal activities. Demonetized. I'm just kidding, guys. I can't even monetize my videos yet. I can't get this freaking Grom up to save my life. gonna get it up here in just a second. Watch this. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it here. There we go. Finally. 1 in 6,000. This thing is hard to wheelie. I got like 2. Yeah, that's about it. I tried to do that, but I couldn't. That's insane. Bro, you were literally stationary, just bleh. That's what I was trying to do back there. I was trying to do a rolling, but I can't. You just trying to do a rolling? Guys, respect to whoever out there can stunt on a Grom, because that was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Like, I just could not get it. But I do see, as my buddy up here Jimmy was saying, if you can freaking stunt on a Grom, you could probably stunt on just about anything, because the amount of effort that goes into like pulling up a f***ing Grom is insane. I don't know, definitely something to learn, definitely something that I want to learn. I'd love to get a Grom and just have something to just, you know, go out wheelie and not really worry about dropping and breaking. It is miserably hot out here, but I love it. I'd much rather have this than the freaking cold that I've been riding in. Man, guys, that was a freaking whole ton of fun. Had an absolute blast. I've been wanting to hang out with Jimmy for a while. It just things, you know, didn't match up. Schedules didn't match up. I broke my collarbone, destroyed my bike, all that good fun stuff. So it was nice to finally get to hang out with him and see what he can do on one of those bikes, and to get to ride a Grom. Man, I've wanted to ride a Grom for like so long now, it's not even funny. Like, I don't know what it is about them. I just think they're so cool and would just be so fun to have one to like really take my stunting, I guess you could say, to the next level. Learn everything that I can off of that bike and then translate it over to something bigger like the other R7. But yeah, man, it was a total fun. This is the first like actual moto vlog I've made since the crash, and it is such a good feeling. You guys have like done nothing but show me so much love. I don't really know how to say it. Like, I'm just incredibly appreciative of it, and I'm so happy with where the channel's going. Yeah, like, I don't want to brag on myself or anything, but I'm also just like super proud of myself for going through these roadblocks, the multiple roadblocks that we have had in the past 3 months, and coming out on top. You know, we made a pretty crazy decision selling the car for another bike, but I think it's gonna pay off. Yeah, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching this video. We're about to get onto some interstate speed, so you're not gonna be able to hear me as well, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all so much for all the love you all have shown me. And yeah, if you guys want to see some more moto vlogs and just some more videos of me being happy and having a good time on the bike, make sure you hit the subscribe button. But guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.